महर्षी कर्वे स्त्री शिक्षण संस्था's KB Joshi Institute of Information Technology. Let us have a quick look at the infrastructure and courses available at our institute situated at Karve Nagar, Pune. KBJ IIT has adequate infrastructure consisting of classrooms, labs, tutorial room, library, reading room, reference room and conference room. Other infrastructure facilities like auditorium, hostel, sports, etc. are also available. KBJ IIT has also e-learning facility through online open learning system portal EduCloud. Faculties conduct online lectures through Google Meet. KBJ IIT can accommodate up to 350 students every year. KBJ IIT utilizes its infrastructure to conduct various workshops, meets and events, seminars and CSR to the open source community. Hardware and software is continuously upgraded and updated to meet the curriculum requirements. Entire KBJ IIT campus is Wi-Fi enabled for students and staff. Our institute has a well-equipped and advanced computer lab with 140 computers connected through Wi-Fi. The lab is updated with all the necessary hardware and software requirements as per the syllabus. The institute has state-of-the-art auditorium and classrooms with audio-visual, internet and Wi-Fi connectivity. We have fully air-conditioned classrooms and auditorium. Library is well-equipped with books, journals, magazines and digital media. It has a Wi-Fi enabled reading hall, reference cum reading hall and one terminal allocated for student access. It is automated with Koha software. It enables online advanced booking of books, searching and transaction checking. The real opportunity for success lies within the person and not in the job. The college has a separate training and placement cell. A placement committee consisting of one faculty representing each department decides the guidelines for the placement activity. Sessions are arranged on resume writing, interview techniques and aptitude tests. Guest lectures and training programs are arranged for the students. The college has signed various MOUs with well-known organizations such as Quick Hill Foundation, Rubicon, Ethnos and Cognitive Exchange to provide a great opportunity to mingle and network with others from various walks of life. The institute has a cultural department which carries out various cultural activities throughout the year. The various events held are orientation program, freshers party, youth festival, annual gathering, award function and many more. Every year, our students participate in Youth Festival organized by SNDT University Mumbai and achieve remarkable success at both national and international level. Our motto, not me, but you. The program aims to instill the idea of social welfare in students and to provide service to society without bias. NSS volunteers work to ensure that everyone who is needy gets help to enhance their standard of living and lead a life of dignity. Every year, our college organizes different social activities like blood donation, tree plantation, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
We all know that Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha is working from last 125 years for women's education. KB Joshi Institute of Information Technology started in the year 2006 with the objective of empowerment of women through IT education. The college is affiliated to SNDT Women's University, which is founded by our Bharat Ratna Maharshi Karve. College is running Bachelor of Computer Applications course, BSc Information Technology course, Master in Computer Science course. college is working all the time for the overall development of the students that helps us to build their personality. Last year, our one student participated in NSS Republic Day Parade on Rajpath, Delhi. I am sure the college will achieve many more milestones in future and keep the graph of KB Joshi Institute of Information Technology rising.
Contact us for more details on our email ID given below and visit our website for course details.